Hello, Assalamu alaikum, guys. I know I have been MIA. I am so sorry. I have been really busy, but trust me, I am back with a boom. So, for those of you who are new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the bell icon down below, comment, share, like. For those of you who are already in my YouTube family, I am so grateful that you have been patient enough to wait for a new lesson. 3 months it has been long. It's been a long time, I know, but as I said earlier that I used to, if you remember, I used to upload 2 videos in a week on Monday and Friday. But now that I have a really busy schedule, I'll just be uploading on Saturday. But trust, I'm back. I'm back. Thank you very much for the wait. So let's proceed to the lesson. T for tea. T for tea. T wa sha. T wa sha. Now you try it. Hada letter U baan soo galnay. We are at letter U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Umbrella wa dalad. Say it with me. Umbrella wa dalad. Now you try it. V for vegetable. V for vegetable. Ila dhahaya. Vegetable wa khudar. Vegetable wa khudar. Now you try it. W for watch. Ila dhahaya. W for watch. Watch wa saad. For my English speakers, please say this with me. Watch wa saad. Again. Watch wa saad. Now you try it. X for X-ray. Yes, X for X-ray. Yeah, now you try it. Y for yesterday. Y for yesterday. Yesterday wa shalay. Yesterday wa shalay. Now you try it. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Zebra wa damer faro. Let me take it real slow for my English speakers. Zebra wa damer faro. Damer faro. Now you try it. Now we have come to the end of our lesson for today. I thank you very much for bearing with me for my long break that I took. It was much needed, by the way. But I am back now. As I said, I will be uploading every Saturday, inshallah. Please subscribe, like, share, comment down below in the comment section what I should improve on, what I should change from the channel. I am open to your opinions and your contributions. So I wish you a very good and long weekend. Bye bye.